kiss it?
No, she's okay. She's scared. She needs to go outside now.
Oh, Effie.
No, nobody's holding her. I'm barely holding her right now. Exactly. That's what I didn't.
We got birds in the house.
Bird!
That bird.
I did not want. That's why I wanted to get her out.
That bird.
Sweetie.
I'll get it.
No.
Stay away from the ceiling fan. Now we got birds in the house.
Where did
Up
she
there.
go?
She's up there.
Okay.
Oh boy.
You guys get
The cats are gonna have a heyday with this.
Stop.
Actually, match this.
Hi, birdie. You're scared to death, I know, because Kit's coming to get you.
Bird!
We got birds in our house.
Okay.
Get her.
Alright, stop. Amber! No, I'll get her.
And now the bird's going in the living room.
Open up the patio window.
Wow! There's the bird over there.
There she goes. Bye.
There, bye, birdie.
No!